Welcome to the AHIMS portal. To access the AHIMS portal, users need to register themselves by creating an Aadhaar or Ayush ID along with a password. To access the portal, visit stdashhims.ayush.gov.in. Click on Ayush Health Facilities. Users can search for hospitals based on stream, state, and district. To share their experience, they can use the feedback form to select the hospital and provide comments on treatment, registration, and visit experience. If users need to contact us, they can fill out the contact form with their name, email, subject, and message. To book an appointment, users can choose from 3 methods: create Aadhaar, verify Aadhaar, or use their Ayush ID. In creating an Aadhaar, the user needs to verify Aadhaar details by entering their Aadhaar number. An OTP will be sent to the Aadhaar linked mobile number. You must enter the OTP and mobile number. Then, select the Aadhaar address method and submit. After that, you can view your profile details along with your Ayush ID. You can update your communication details via OTP. Next, you can change your Aadhaar address using suggestions or by creating it manually. You can also download or print your Aadhaar card. To manage appointments, first, you need to update your password. Then, choose the system, department, state, district, hospital, visit date, and time slot. Submit your appointment request and receive a token number. If the user already has an Aadhaar, they need to verify it using one of the following methods: mobile number, Aadhaar number, Aadhaar number, or Aadhaar address. Verification via mobile number: enter your mobile number and select the Aadhaar account you wish to verify. Once you select the account, you will receive an OTP, one-time password, to verify your Aadhaar account. After verification, you can view your profile with your Ayush ID, download or print your Aadhaar card, and manage appointments. Then, choose the system, department, state, district, hospital, visit date, and time slot. Submit your appointment request and you will receive a token number. These last 3 steps are the same for all verification methods. Verification via Aadhaar number: enter your Aadhaar number and select an OTP method, either Aadhaar OTP or Aadhaar OTP. Once you receive the OTP, enter it to verify your account. Verification via Aadhaar number: enter your Aadhaar number, agree to the consent, and click Get OTP. After receiving the OTP, enter it to verify your account. Fourth, verification via Aadhaar address: enter your Aadhaar address and select an OTP method, either Aadhaar OTP or Aadhaar OTP. Once you receive the OTP, enter it to verify your account. The third method for making an appointment is by using Ayush ID. If you choose to use your Ayush ID, you must indicate the reason for skipping Aadhaar. If you have an Ayush ID, select yes. If you do not have one, select no. If you select yes, you will need to enter your Ayush ID. Your registered mobile number will be automatically fetched, and you can click to receive an OTP. Once you receive the OTP, enter it to verify your Ayush ID and set your password. After that, you can book an appointment by selecting the system, department, state, district, hospital, visit date, and time slot. Submit your appointment request, and you will receive a token number. If you select no, you will need to fill in basic personal information and contact details and other information to create a new Ayush ID. Once you generate your Ayush ID, set your password and book an appointment by choosing the system, department, state, district, hospital, visit date, and time slot. Finally, submit your appointment request and you will receive a token number.